If this video found you, it's not by accident. God has something to tell you right now. Don't scroll, don't skip. What you're about to hear might save your peace or your life. He sees your pain. He's been watching in silence. And now, he's ready to speak. Let every second of this message speak to your soul. Stay, listen, heal. God sees your silent tears. Even when no one else knows, I do. You're not invisible to me. You're not a burden. I don't get tired of you. I welcome your pain, your flaws, your questions. I knew you before you were born. I shaped you with intention. You were never random. You were never forgotten. Your pain has a purpose. Nothing you've gone through is wasted. I use every scar for your story. You're stronger than you think because I'm the one holding you up. The world may fail you, but I won't. Friends leave. Money fades, but my love is unshakable. I will turn this around for good. What hurt you, I will use to heal you. Be still, I am fighting for you. You're exhausted because you're fighting alone. Rest. The battle is mine. You are enough. Not because of what you do, but because of who I made you to be. Wait on me. I'm not denying you, I'm preparing you. I am your shepherd. When you're lost, I come looking. I never abandon my sheep. Don't be afraid of the future. I already live in tomorrow. Trust me today. I've seen every silent battle, and I've carried you through more than you know. Let me carry your worries. Worry adds weight I never asked you to hold. You are loved. Even at your lowest, I don't love a version of you. I love you. Grace is bigger than guilt. Your past doesn't cancel your purpose. Your prayers were never wasted. Even when I'm silent, I'm working. The right doors will open. You don't need to chase them. Walk with me, and they'll open. You're not behind. My timing is not late. It's perfectly aligned. I will heal you, not just your body, but your heart, your identity, your hope. Even when you fall, I'll catch you. Your failure doesn't surprise me. My love is already prepared for it. Forgive yourself. I already did. Don't carry shame. I already erased. Keep going, even when it's dark. You're not walking alone in this valley. I've planted seeds. You can't see yet. You're closer to harvest than you realize. Rest in me, not in distractions. Netflix won't heal your soul. I will. I'm bigger than that problem. Speak to the mountain or give it to me. I'm using your story to free others. Your healing will help someone else believe. You are not disqualified. My grace covers what religion can't. My peace is not of this world. You won't find it on a screen. You'll find it in my presence. Trust me, even when you're tired. When you feel nothing, I am still everything. Don't quit. You're almost there. The breakthrough is just ahead. Hold on. I'm still writing your story. The best part hasn't been revealed yet. Speak life, not fear. Life and death are in your words. Choose wisely. I am enough for you. When you have me, you lack nothing. The ending is victory. No matter how the story feels now, it ends in redemption. You are mine, forever. Nothing can separate you from my love. Not fear, not failure, not Tim. If you made it this far, it means God was speaking to you. Like this video so more people hear his voice. Comment, I belong to God, if you feel his peace. Subscribe.